Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting video on the Bingx cryptocurrency exchange. Today, we're going to dive deep into the burning question, how safe is Bingx? If you're considering using this platform or are already a user, this video is a must-watch. Get ready to uncover the truth about Bingx's security measures, regulatory compliance, and overall trustworthiness. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of whether Bingx is a safe and reliable choice for your crypto trading needs. So, grab your popcorn and let's get started. When it comes to the safety and security of a cryptocurrency exchange, there are several crucial factors to consider. Bingx, being a reputable player in the industry, has implemented robust measures to ensure the protection of its users' funds and personal information. Let's take a closer look at these safeguards. 1. Advanced security protocols. Bingx employs state-of-the-art security protocols to safeguard its platform and users' assets. One of the most crucial aspects is the use of cold storage for the majority of user funds. Cold storage refers to the practice of storing cryptocurrencies offline, disconnected from the internet, making them virtually impenetrable to hackers. Only a small portion of funds is kept in hot wallets online to facilitate seamless trading and withdrawals. Additionally, Bingx utilizes multi-signature technology, which requires multiple private keys to authorize transactions. This multi-layered approach significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access and enhances the overall security of user funds. 2. Data encryption and privacy protection. Bingx takes data privacy and protection extremely seriously. All user data, including personal information and financial details, are encrypted using industry-standard encryption algorithms. This ensures that even in the unlikely event of a data breach, user information remains secure and cannot be accessed by unauthorized parties. Furthermore, Bingx adheres to strict Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) procedures, which help prevent fraudulent activities and ensure compliance with relevant regulations. 3. Third-party audits and certifications. To further solidify its commitment to security and transparency, Bingx undergoes regular third-party audits and has obtained various industry certifications. These audits and certifications are conducted by reputable organizations and serve as independent validation of Bingx's security practices and adherence to industry standards. Some of the notable certifications and audits that Bingx has undergone include ISO IEC 27001, 2013 Certification for Information Security Management System, SOS to Type E certification for security, availability, and confidentiality. Regular penetration testing and security audits by independent cybersecurity firms. These certifications and audits provide users with the assurance that Bingx's security measures are regularly reviewed and validated by external experts. 4. Regulatory compliance. Bingx operates in compliance with applicable regulations and laws in the jurisdictions where it operates. The exchange has obtained the necessary licenses and registrations to operate legally and transparently. This regulatory compliance not only ensures that Bingx adheres to industry standards, but also adds an extra layer of credibility and trust. Bingx is registered with the relevant authorities, such as the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network (FinCEN) in the United States, and complies with applicable anti-money laundering (AML) and counterterrorism financing (CTF) regulations. 5. User education and support. In addition to robust security measures, Bingx prioritizes user education and support. The exchange provides comprehensive guides, tutorials, and resources to help users understand best practices for secure trading, wallet management, and account security. Bingx's customer support team is available 24/7 to assist users with any inquiries or issues they may encounter. Furthermore, Bingx encourages users to enable two-factor authentication to follow general security best practices, such as using strong and unique passwords, keeping software and antivirus programs up to date, and being vigilant against phishing attempts. It's worth mentioning that while Bingx implements robust security measures, no system is completely immune to potential breaches or vulnerabilities. As with any online platform dealing with sensitive information and financial assets, users should exercise caution and follow recommended security practices to minimize risks. In conclusion, Bingx takes the safety and security of its users extremely seriously. With advanced security protocols, data encryption, third-party audits and certifications, regulatory compliance, and a strong emphasis on user education, Bingx strives to provide a secure and trustworthy trading environment for its users. However, it's important to note that the cryptocurrency industry is constantly evolving, and new threats and vulnerabilities may emerge over time. Bingx remains vigilant and committed to continuously improving its security measures to stay ahead of potential risks. If you're considering using Bingx or any other cryptocurrency exchange, it's crucial to conduct your own research, understand the risks involved, and take appropriate precautions to protect your assets. Remember, for a seamless and secure trading experience on Bingx, don't forget to use the referral code 911 during registration. Stay safe, stay informed, and happy trading. All contact information is provided in the description below the